So, I was gonna sit down here and film a 5 first impression of some drugstore makeup, but it turns out that my husband has other plans because I have on my desk here my vlogging camera and a note that reads, I know you were planning on filming something else today, but instead you're going on a scavenger hunt for a full face look compiled by moi. Surprise! I know how much you love spontaneity. Damn it, Christopher! Oh my gosh, I need to drink coffee. I'm starting to sweat. But since I'm taking you out of your comfort zone, I've made sure that all the products are classic, high-end favorites that I know you love. Is this gonna be another Oilers look? Or have you switched it up and tried a different sport? Phase 1 will be finding all of the products divided into 3 parts: face, lips, and eyes. Phase 2 is using any or all of the products I choose in whatever order to create any look you want. Phase 3 is profit. I think that's a South Park reference. Phase 3, profit! Phase 4 will be wearing your fancy look to a moderately fancy dinner out tonight with me. Haha, no cooking tonight. Not that I cook anyway, Chris does all the cooking. So I went either way. Love you, have fun. Oh, that's nice and also kind of stressful. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys a video that I had not planned on filming. And as the intro would suggest, and also the surprised look on my face, we're doing a scavenger hunt today. I really have no more clue than you do on what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of this video, other than apparently taking you through my very messy house. And in case you guys missed it, I'm doing a giveaway in every single video for the rest of February, so this is what we're giving away today. And all you need to do to enter is to leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite part of this video is. And also just be a subscriber to this channel. That's it, that's all the rules. Oh, and look who's that! It's Christopher texting me. Well, Christopher, you're gonna get a face instead. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And also giveaways every video in February. And without further ado, let's get into this. And we are vlogging. So, we are going to, I guess, first start by reading what the note is. Also, I'm wearing my vlogging and also Sunday pants and also just apparently scavenger hunt pants. Also, Lisa Vanderpump is 100% my face right now. So the first clue is face. Me on Wednesday nights. Rach, have you seen blank? Oh, that's easy. So Chris goes to hockey on Wednesdays. He's usually missing his special hockey socks, which should be... I think it's this one. Yeah, there's his hockey socks and some makeup. Ooh! Oh, this is fun. I hid your lip stuff. It's where you bake your cookies. This clue's a haiku. Christopher! Let's go and drop off this makeup. Oh, I'm gonna crush this. You put it, you did put it in the oven. It is warm though. Were you baking something earlier? Okay, we got some lip products. Delve deep into the dungeon and steal your eye makeup back from a dragon. All right, I can do that. And in case you guys are wondering what that means, it's because Chris and his buddies play Dungeons and Dragons. No, I am not kidding. And they even have a special table for it. This is our messy basement. This is all of Christopher's D&D stuff. Ta-da! Yay! Congratulations, you solved my devious riddles. There's an early Valentine's Day present for you under your desk. Love you. Ooh, I like presents. Oh, this is exciting. All right, and now we're back with all of the makeup. And, oh, present. Is it sad that I didn't notice there was a bag under my desk? Roots bag. And inside, Sundays are for sweats. Yes, it's true. This is my new Sunday filming shirt. Get used to it because this is all you're gonna see from now until the end of time. So I guess we should see what makeup Chris got for me. Let's like unpackage this. I don't know, unbox it? Is this an unboxing? So we'll start with face up first. We have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 3. This palette right here, which as Christopher already indicated, he knows that I love this. I'm obsessed with this. We have the Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid. Oh, let's see if he actually gets like a full face of makeup. I feel like he will though. Kat Von D Shade and Light Palette. We have the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Estee Lauder Doublewear Makeup. We have the MAC Lightscapade. Oh, he's doing really well so far. CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder. We have the Tarte Shape Tape. POREfessional by Benefit, and the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. He even got setting spray. Well done, Christopher. Let's just give him a big clap for getting everything on the face, at least. I honestly can't believe that I didn't notice that this was missing from my desk. He must have done this last night. For the eyes, we have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. We have the Urban Decay Primer Potion, Marc Jacobs Highliner in Earthquake, Dior Iconic Overcurl Mascara, the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette, and also a blue highliner. This is Overnight. So far, so good. I mean, Diorshow Iconic Overcurl like isn't my favorite, but I'm gonna give you a pass. And then for the lips, we have two very clear glosses. So that are basically the same. So that's what we're gonna do today. I feel like overall, Chris did a really good job. Like, these are all products, like some of them I haven't actually used in a while. So I'm kind of curious to kind of go back and play with them because I'm always testing out new makeup. So this is gonna be kind of fun, kind of challenge experiment too. Thumbs up, Christopher. You did good. Plus I got a really comfy shirt out of it. And like, to be honest, I'm really excited about that. So now I'm just gonna zoom in. We'll do like a speed through kind of a video because none of this is really new. So I'm not like testing anything out. And we'll see the look that I come up with. So let's do this.
Dancing through the streets, we wander, falling for the fire, burning at the heart, throwing hands up to the sky. Ooh, we live for the night. Ooh, here for the ride. I feel alive under the city lights.
Look, guys, just a classic smoky eye. Here's a close-up for you guys to see what the look looks like using all the products that Chris kind of set out for me. Oh, forgot to use the Kat Von D Shaded Light palette. Oh man, I knew I'd forget something. This is what I get for having my desk just a disaster zone. But I really like the overall look. I had forgotten how much I love the MAC Lightscapade highlight. Like, it's such a pretty one. A little bit more cool tone, but like, I really like it. I need to add that back into my everyday makeup drawers. I also haven't used the Chocolate Bar palette in forever, and I didn't actually end up using the Urban Decay All-Nighter because I'm pretty sure this is like the old packaging. This, I think, is so old it just needs to go in the garbage. Ooh. That was a really fun challenge that I wasn't expecting at all today. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up for Christopher, always being creative, coming up with cool little challenge videos, and thumbs up if you want to see more of them. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing week, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you, girls. Mwah! You guys, look what I found just sitting outside the door when I finished filming my video. Some roses! That's so nice! What a nice surprise. So far, today is starting out to be a really, really good day.